transfer that student go and report for the CICC. Because it's mentioned, because it's the whole lab Wi-Fi got problem, should be the lab lah. The access port or something lah, not the devices problem lah. Sometimes the responsibility pass here and pass there. Okay, we move on okay. So I take the attendance for you all. Last leave, another leave. This one leave in front, okay. Then Long, Ping Ping, Lao, L-O-W. Then this one L-O-W, Tan, and this one Tan Siu Yi. Excellent. Then this one Wong, then Yong, why you okay, okay. We move on. So you go back to do the installations, don't wait until week 8, only do the installation of the truffle. You need to troubleshoot because previously there is a student encountered a problem because of the version Windows 11 and Windows I think whether I still can find the student error or not. Previously the student told me there is an error. Because I think not yesterday I mean last semester the student took his laptop, came to the lab and do installation. This student is using Windows 11. The interface that just now you saw is Windows 10. Okay, the slide routing is belong to the Windows 10, the one that I show you. The slide routing over here. Okay, you saw and sure I can't see the slide routing on. This one is Windows 10, my own desktop Windows 10, okay? So that's no, my own laptop. Then this one group policy, this one I solve my group policy is on my office desktop, okay? So what I wanted to tell you here is when the student came to do installation and he is in Windows 11. So this student also Windows 11 and this student laptop also Windows 11. This student can install Windows 11 but this one cannot. This student can install the Ganesh. The student can install the Ganesh in the Windows 11 in student B but it's not student A. Student A encounter problem. Even though the Ganesh over here the ones are solving, this one also cannot. The reason is the package. He did not update the Windows 11. Yeah? So he did not update the Windows 11. So later you come back, you look for student. Never mind. Go back home, follow the slide, go and create a MetaMask account. Okay? Go and create a MetaMask account. Okay? Get me or not? So even though it's the same Windows 11, could be because you did not update your package for your Windows 11. We detected, okay, because of the Windows 11 is 2 point something, is only a 1 point something. So it's that it did not update, something like that. Okay. So now, without wasting time, now we are coming to MetaMask. Okay. So from here, actually, I already have the MetaMask on my browser there, and come to over here to do I go and remove for my MetaMask first. I remove for my MetaMask. So for those who have or not yet, you follow this. I do it for you over this side. Later on. Now, because you do not have any account, so now I go back to my ethereum.org over there. Okay, I'm coming back from here. Okay, so then I go down to look for from this particular main page, from this ethereum.org, this official Ethereum website. I go down, okay, scroll down, and then you can see pick a wallet. Okay, so the interface will be different from what you have it over here. As I said, they always change. I don't have time just capture the interface for you. So I come into this pick a wallet of this icon. Okay, no need to have a get legal lah, use a D-app lah, start building lah. No, we just look for the first thing, pick our wallet. So when we go and pick our wallet, so first of all, there have so many different wallets over there. Okay, some things you can be filtered, as I'm going to see over this slide. Okay, so we are using a MetaMask, so that's why over here there is some suggestion like let's say we are using Google Chrome. Okay, that's why MetaMask is in a Google Chrome. If you say that you are famous to using this Opera wallet, then you can use that. So I will go, okay, I will go and look for this, okay, MetaMask from here, okay. So there is a support iOS, support our Android, okay, Chrome, Firefox also, and then he given you this connection, okay. They're telling you that the features can be NTF support lah, hardware wallet support lah, and so on and so forth, okay. So then you have a gas fee customizations, connect to the D-app. This is what we want, connect to the D-app wallet connection. Okay, so we need this MetaMask. So that's why coming to here, we do installation. Okay, so we do installation. Okay, so when you come to do installation, so we come to the MetaMask IO over here and ask you to do download. So once you come to the download, because we are using on my desktop, okay, so you can go and deploy, you can go and download in your handphone or your iPhone also, but we are on desktop, so that's why we are using a Chrome version. And then over here, install MetaMask for Chrome. From here. So now, when you do the installation, first of all, they are telling you why you need to have a MetaMask over here from this video. So I go and play this video for everyone, and you can understand why we need to have a MetaMask.
This is Sam. Sam uses the internet just like the rest of us. Lots of apps she uses seem to be free, but they actually come at a cost. She knows the internet isn't very secure and strangers own her data. Credit cards are stolen, identities get hacked. She has to navigate a maze of ads just to surf the web, and she knows someone is always watching. But she's heard there's a better way. And then Sam sees it, the promise of a new internet powered by the Ethereum blockchain, an amazing combination of technologies the world is building together that are reinventing how we connect to one another, and it's just within her reach. But to access this new world, she needs the right tools. Meet MetaMask, your connection to the new web. MetaMask is the tool Sam needs to access this new world. It's a key that connects her to new types of applications, It's a wallet that keeps her data and valuables safe and sound. And it's a shield that protects her from hackers and data collectors. With MetaMask, Sam is ready to explore this new internet safely and securely. The possibilities are endless. Sam can use next-generation applications that give control back to the users and the community, own her data, and move seamlessly between sites, and send money across the world at a fraction of the cost. Create new organizations with new currencies that bind her communities together. Crowdsource projects and art, or invest in other people's creations. Sound too good to be true? Well, with great freedom comes great responsibility. Sam controls her own identity on this new internet. No more new passwords for every site she visits. Just a secret phrase.
So is that we don't have any password, login password already, but he need to have a secret phrase, huh? Secret
That
phrase.
controls her accounts. This phrase.
The secret phrase are the one who control your account, huh? So secret phrase and your private key are very important, huh? These two things you need to record them down, huh?
This is her login, her password, and her proof of ownership, all wrapped up in one. So Sam has to keep it as safe as she possibly can. Now that she's installed MetaMask, Sam's ready to explore the best version of the internet. Vote, crowdfund, buy stuff, publish writing, make art, hire freelancers. What will Sam do first? Whatever she wants. The internet is hers to explore. Welcome to a new kind of internet. Welcome to MetaMask.
You can see the video over there, they are not using the real person face, you know. Everyone's over here are like wearing a mask. You can't see who is a real person because you are the account is just a numbering. You can see or not? But you know what happened for that account. Okay, but you do not know what is the real person for that. Okay, so now after you watch this, then we come to do the installation, add to our Chrome. Okay, so once you add to the Chrome like this way, first thing, extension. So after you add it to the MetaMask, make your Chrome faster, memory seed free up to the memory for interactive tab and so forth. Okay, so okay, not now. So now, first of all, once you have the MetaMask already, you need to have an account. So here, trusted by billion, MetaMask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to all. So now you need to have an agree for this, and now you need to create a wallet. Okay, you need to have create. Anyone here got wallet already? You got wallet or not? Got MetaMask wallet already? So anyone know? Don't have, right? So we are using a create a wallet. So let's say if you say that okay, I already have the wallet, just like Michelle, I got a wallet already. So but I'm using my wallet into another PC. For example, now this desktop. So actually I already key in I have my password for my MetaMask, and then I got this secret recovery phrase over here. Okay. So I need this one to import my wallet. This one is import the wallet. When you import the wallet, you need to have a secret recovery phrase and your original, your MetaMask account password. Okay, this is the thing. But now this is the first time I show you how to create a wallet. Okay, create a new wallet, you press on this icon, this button, not icon, this button. So this is a message telling you that whether you wanted to help them to improve the MetaMask or not. So in this case, up to you. If you say that I know that, I don't want to help you, you can just know that, or you can agree on that. It's up to you. I put agree. So now this is your MetaMask password. Okay, MetaMask password only. Log into your MetaMask password. So you give your password. Okay, let's say I create. Okay. So now, after you done this, you're moving on. They were asking you secure your wallet. That just now the password is access to your MetaMask. Your MetaMask got a wallet. Okay, that password just now the password is access to your MetaMask. It's not your wallet password yet. So that's why over here, this particular video actually is wants you to how you secure your recovery phase. Your recovery phase as like me child over here. This is not a good habit because I'm showing you my MetaMask password and I also showing you my recovery phase, secret recovery phase on here. It's not because this is my demo account. It's not the real money in there, so I don't mind. But if that is the real account which I'm using for my real transaction one, I should not sit inside my Microsoft Word, okay, or I projected it out. Everyone can see my password. That is not a good habit. So now, how to secure?
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask.
Master key is different from your public and private key. This is a master key for recover your wallet. Okay, master key to recover your wallet, and they are giving you a 12 word over here, and this 12 word that is based on the sequence that here got sequence one, and it's not a meaningful one. It means that it's not in the sentences. So that's why it's very hard for us to remember a 12 word. Usually I'm copy and paste on somewhere and write down on
Which
somewhere.
allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds.
So just now I'm showing you that if you are given master key for somebody or somebody take your master key, so he can take all your money from your wallet already. This is what I said is not a good habit to show you the good practice. To show you my master key and projected on the screen here.
To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase.
So that if you forgot your secret recovery phrase, you don't go and email to a MetaMask help desk. There are no one can helping you to recover back your wallet and your fund. This is the true case. Okay. If you have a story that is a one person, they have a lot of Bitcoin in a desktop, old desktop, and his mama thought the laptop is no use anymore already, and he go and recycle the laptop, and then he also the person because he's old, he know got money, but he couldn't recover back he couldn't know what is the recovery phase over there. He can't get back the money. Even though he get back, he found the laptop, but he do not able to get back the money because of recovery phase. He can't remember. Okay, so no one can able to help you to recover your wallet and your secret recovery phase if you forgot.
If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
Okay, so you see this video is wants you to understand how important for a secret recovery phase, so that Now what we need to come here is we are going to have a secure my wallet. Okay? And now he said make sure nobody is looking at you. Then here is actually I click on this button, you will see my recovery phase, and this is the in order. Okay? So what I need to do here is this is the recovery phase. I understand this is for my testing. I copy the big box over here and then I paste somewhere. Okay? I paste it on somewhere. Okay. Sorry, I copy first. Let me copy first. I use mapping tool because the alphabet here all need to be in order one. Copy and I paste it on one of my document like this way. So then I'm moving on for the next. I copy this one already because why I need to copy, because later on he asks you to drag one. Okay? So ask you to drag. Okay? So you need to fill up your value. Okay? So this is the reason why you need to confirm your recovery phase. So I need to key in. You can see or not? Okay? So I need to key in for that. Okay? So it's not straightforward. I cannot remember one. Okay? So that's why I key in already and confirm my recovery. I confirm my secret recovery phase. Then only that I got it. Only that I can got it. Then I will click and then I press next. Next done. And then my MetaMask was installed over here. Okay. So whether you need to have a swapping or not, this is what I said. You can swap your tokens and so on. Just like you swapping your smart swap. Okay, it means that you wanted to swap between your Bitcoin and your Ether money lah. So all this can be done by MetaMask one. So that's why now I don't want to have. I just wanted to focus on this, and then I wanted to come back to my MetaMask account over here. This is my account. This is your account. Get it? Have it over there. Okay. Now I know the time constraint from this part. I don't go and detail for this. Okay, buy, sell, and so on first. Now, where is our? This is your real account. So if you go and looking at the. Now I go to the top over here. I go and pin my MetaMask at the top over here to ensure that the MetaMask is always prompt up. Okay. So instead of hiding that, next thing is that Mitchell, this account you say this is a public crypto, got this cryptographic, got public private key pair over there. Where is the public private key pair? Okay. So over here you can see that you're looking at your account. Over here, hold on. I go and click on this. I too many things. I go and close back everything from here. Okay. So now I'm from this. So now from this particular MetaMask. Okay, this is the prompt. Okay, got it switch. Okay. So now it's different from. Okay, under this account. Okay, you can see I click on this. I click on my account. This is my account. Okay, the default he put account 1. Okay, then you can see under here there is a zero money there. So now you come to the dot, the 3 dot at the here. You can see here got account detail. Okay, the account detail here. From here, then you can see. This one is your original, your public key. You can share it to your friend for transaction. Okay? So that's why I said that you copy, you can share this one to somebody. who wanted to transfer money now, or you wanted to make transaction now, you use this one. This one, this barcode over here, QR code, right? This code is for you, like some of them you may have a handphone to do transaction because also support iOS now, or iPhone now, iOS and also your Android now. So you sharing this QR code. Instead of you copying this numbering, this is a QR code to represent your public key. Now, this is your private key. So when you wanted to show your private key, you must have your MetaMask account to be correct. So this is how your private key is not exploited into your friend. Okay? So now I key my password for my MetaMask, and then here are showing me a private key. And you can see he giving you a warning. He said that never disclose this key. Anyone with your private key can steal any access help in your account. So this is a public and private key. And how to using this? Now I already tell you, this EOA account got public and private key. Okay? Understand already? Yeah? Okay? Every EOA account got public and private key for executed your transaction. So now, I don't go and teach you how to add account or import account, what is the difference and hardware wallet over there. But now, I want you to come to this side. Okay, the interface are different already. I compare. If you look at Micha over here, okay. Now, if you refer to the slide over here, okay, account and extension, get start, get new wallet. The interface are different. Okay. So then there's a video for your MetaMask account. This one already finished. Secret, last time it's called secret backup phase. Now it's called secret recovery phase. So then this is the number, then congratulations, you start it. So you have an account. You can see the interface given from here are different from what I have been installed just now. Don't worry about the interface, the features all is there. We must be adopt to the change. So now, this is the option number 2, is teach you how to import the wallet. For example, now you have created your wallet at here, and then you wanted to use back the same wallet account back to your home. So definitely your secret recovery phase must be kept on. As what I see just now, I show you. I already captured my secret recovery phase and also my MetaMask password. I already recorded down. Okay, so you have the secret recovery phase and your MetaMask account and also your private and public key you capture. Just like what you show here, like me child doing what I'm doing over here, even though it's demo, the account that I'm using for demo, my account, okay, my recovery phase, then this is a public key and this is a private key. I have recorded down for this, okay. So I show you so fast, you also cannot capture one, I know lah. So this is the part over there. So I keep the file over here. So now, next thing is when you come back to you go back home, or you use other desktop, you go for import your wallet. So when you import the wallet, sure they will asking you your secret recovery phase and your password for your MetaMask. So they will not asking you your public key. Because public key is everyone have now. So they will not asking you the public key for import one. They will also not asking you a private key. As I said, private key is secure, cannot give to anyone. Even though this website, this particular page, you also cannot give private key. Get what I mean now? So that's why only if you wanted to import your account, your MetaMask password, and also your secret recovery phase, the child words over there need to be used. Okay, which is need to be used. So after that, you will go and import, and that is a 3 dot over there, and the account detail over there, and then this is the last time. After you have the account, you can have able to import and create account again. Just like you yourself physically, you got one purse, you got one wallet, you can have another wallet, am I right? Just like the good, we have many wallet one, we have many purse one. So same thing over here. In the MetaMask, you can have multiple wallet you can create. You can create multiple wallets. Okay, it's up to you. But in the real transaction, it is that I got two. I create wallet one, I create wallet two. I got money in these two wallets. And my dear, you create so many wallets, your money from this wallet transfer to this wallet, need to pay gas or not? Yes, ma'am. So your wallet will be, your money will be lesser and lesser, no. Does not mean that you create more wallet, you'll be rich, you know. Get what I mean? No. Here is for us to do testing, fine. Okay? But in the real world, we don't go and create multiple wallet. Does not mean that you have a multiple wallet, you are rich. Okay? In the Ethereum platform. Because whatever the transaction you execute, even though from your wallet transfer money back to your own wallet, that is considered a transaction. You are changing the state of your wallet money to here. Okay? So gas are paid for the mining process, for the nodes to processing your transaction. Your money will be lesser and lesser. So last time when I create my wallet, they are having a JSON file. The wallet is created, the secret recovery phrase is in a JSON file. We can import back our wallet by using a JSON file and so on. So this one later on. And this is the Visual Studio Code. Ask you to go back to look for installation for your Visual Studio Code. Okay? So Visual Studio Code, very simple one. So now we come to look for a sending and receiving either. Now I want you to compare. Last time we have many testnet, but now they are reduced already because of the proof of stake and proof of work algorithm. The consensual protocol are using differently already. Certain test network is no longer valid, already depreciated. This is the old script. And now you look at your this particular MetaMask. Look at your MetaMask here. You go and click on here. Here now you can see you are at the Ethereum mainnet. This is what I said. You're at the Ethereum mainnet based on this icon. So now you need to show your test network. You click on this test network, and here can add a network. So just like you're adding your local network, you need to add network. So that one will be later on. We use for the test network first. Okay? From here, you can see very straightforward that it's only got 3 test network: Gory, Sequoia, Linear, Gory. So that is the 3 test network. Which network that we should use to test our DF? The answer is Sequoia. Okay? So why that is a Sequoia test network? Add already, turn on, then you have. Okay? So then you can see over this side you have this all. They list out for you. Okay? Not like what you saw in my slide. Okay? I don't update it is because I want you to see the changes so frequently, okay, compared to now. So you can see the way that is this. Last semester is Gory testnet and Sequoia testnet. Now they have another one that just now you saw is this particular called this one called Linear Gory, okay, another testnet. So if you look for the documentation, I always need to refer to the documentation. So over this side, he's telling you under the testnet, okay, there is the 2 public testnet, okay, based on this is in 2023-01. But yesterday I'm going to check on it, okay. Even though the Linear Gory is not used for a developer, our DX programmer. So there is a Sequoia and Gory. They say that Sequoia is a network for a contract and the application developer to test their application. So we are using Sequoia. Gory network is used for the protocol developer, the programmer is define a new protocol. Okay, like state of work, state of proof of work, proof of state, that kind of protocol. He testing the protocol, not testing your program. But Gory is used for protocol, Sequoia for program, your application program. So that's why I say that Gory network is like the protocol developer to test the network upgrading for network for the sticker test the running validator. So that's why we are not using Gory, we are using Sequoia. So before you go, I want you to go for this link. The rest you don't go because I already tested. You are not able to redeem a fee either for it. You go and copy this. You click on this link. Okay? We wanted to get a 4 set. We wanted to go and get 4 set. As I said, over here black may be blocked because this will do mining process. So I'm going to copy I'm going to copy my public key. I'm using this account, my test account over here, and copy. Okay? Just like your account, just now your MetaMask, this one for account. Okay, you copy this address, the address that you have it over here. I don't want to use this. Okay, this is just for testing for you to get. Okay, for you, you already have your account, you already over account. Copy this public key and dump in over here. Paste it over here. Also, I'm not a robot. Okay, so he said ask you to look for motorbike. Okay, for example, then he need to do start mining. I want to test whether got any block or not. Yeah, here no block. Okay. Why you need to do this mining? Because you want to redeem a free either. Everyone go and get it because we will going to learn how to transfer money. Okay? You can go back home and do. So next week come to the class. Before I'm going to lab number 3, we are going to do process. Okay? We will go and do this transfer money using testnet. We use our testnet to transfer money and we go and look for our account. How is it? This money is for Sequoia. That's why it said Sequoia. Okay? We need, because based on here, based on your account here, my money here is empty. Assume I'm using just now my test account. You can see my Sequoia, this account money is 0. I don't have money. If you don't have money, it means that you cannot deploy any contract, you cannot do any transaction. But you want to use their testnet, you need money to execute the transaction, to deploy the contract. So you need to get money. And this website, there is the other website for you to get the money for the Sequoia, but this is the most secure one. Last night I tested. This one cannot get. Okay? This one cannot get. This one also cannot get. Yeah? I cross it because I already tested for you. This is a much more secure and this one is not secure one. Okay? Cannot get. And if you don't trust me, you go and okay, this is, you can see last night I do on last night. And minimum plan, you must do mining process until 0.05, either only you can claim the money. The maximum he give you 2.5 only. Okay? The Sequoia either for you. So if you can see that last night I done it already, I got 0.214 already, then I stopped mining and I claim for the reward. Okay, then after this, you can see this is last night, almost 11 p.m. something like that. I claim my money, and the money already inside my wallet. Okay, I do demo for you first because I do not do any import for this wallet. Okay, I got money for this money inside my wallet already. Get what I mean? Okay, so you go back home, you can go and do claim for the money over there. So only then I can teach you how to transfer a money and how the staff are doing and how we using either scan to. We also can using the either scan. The either scan can scan your real testnet, also can scan your real minnet. Okay, so then you will see your account, your transaction, how it works. Okay? So this thing we will stop here. This is a part. Then I will go to teach you what is called chain list and so on last week. So in here I'm still not yet able to claim. So if you wanted to go, you can go already. Then later on I will stop. Then I will claim more money in my account. So this round they don't block my mining process already.